Repair the roof. A proactive approach to sales success. In a sales profession, success is often measured by current performance, but true professionals understand that sustainable growth requires foresight and preparation. The age-old wisdom, "Take time to repair the roof when the sun is shining," offers a powerful metaphor for strategic sales management. The sunshine principle in sales. When business is booming and sales are strong, coasting on current success is tempting. However, the most successful sales professionals view prosperous periods as opportunities for strategic improvement, not just celebration. 1. Strengthen your customer relationships. During peak performance, conduct comprehensive customer satisfaction surveys. Develop a deeper understanding of client needs. Create personalized engagement strategies. And then, build loyalty that will sustain you during leaner times. Proactive relationship management ensures that when market conditions become challenging, you have a solid foundation of trust and mutual value. 2. Invest in skill development. Good times provide the perfect environment for professional growth. Provide advanced sales training for your team. Explore emerging sales technologies and methodologies. Develop cross-functional skills that enhance versatility. Create mentorship programs to transfer institutional knowledge. By continuously improving capabilities during strong periods, you're building resilience for future challenges. 3. Optimize your sales infrastructure. Consider these strategic improvements. Upgrade CRM systems. Streamline sales processes. Implement more efficient communication tools. Develop comprehensive sales playbooks. Analyze and refine sales metrics and reporting. Each optimization acts like a reinforcement to your sales roof, protecting your organization from potential storms. 4. Diversify your sales approach. Prosperity allows for strategic experimentation. Explore new market segments, develop innovative product bundles, create alternative revenue streams, and test different sales methodologies. Diversification provides stability and opens unexpected opportunities. 5. Build financial reserves and contingency plans. Smart sales leaders understand the importance of preparation. Maintain healthy profit margins. Create financial buffers. Develop flexible budget allocation strategies. Design scalable contingency plans. These financial repairs ensure your organization can weather unexpected market shifts. The cost of neglect. Failing to repair the roof during good times can lead to 1. Vulnerability during economic downturns. 2. Loss of competitive edge. 3. Decreased team morale. 4. Missed growth opportunities. 5. Reactive instead of proactive management. Conclusion. The metaphorical roof of your sales organization requires constant attention and strategic maintenance. By investing time, resources, and creative thinking during periods of success, you're not just maintaining the status quo. You're building a robust, adaptable sales ecosystem capable of thriving under any condition. Remember, the best time to strengthen your foundation is when the sun is shining brightest. Seize these moments of prosperity and transform them into a long-term strategic advantage.